In this video I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram password if you've forgotten your old password. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Instagram and get in your profile page, or if you can't, or if you are not logged in, anywhere it will work. Just tap here and select Add Account feature. Log into existing account, and here at the Instagram login page just tap on forgotten password right here. And now I'm able to change my Instagram password if I remember username or phone number. If I will type in here my phone number and tap next, I will receive a verification code on my phone, and then I'll be able to change my Instagram password by typing new password. Of course, it is possible if I got that number and I can receive text message from Instagram. I hope it helps you, and before you go, like and subscribe.